Hello everyone, this is Archana Singh. Welcome to NANC, Nikhil Archana NEET classes. So, in continuation with protein synthesis and processing, let us recapitulate certain previous terms. So, first one is transcription. It is the process of making RNA from DNA. Now, it is the first step in gene expression which transfer the genetic information stored in DNA gene into RNA molecule. Now, in order to understand the features of transcription, we need to understand transcription unit. It consists of RNA, polymerase, which is an enzyme, promoter, transcription factors, structural genes, terminator, etc. Now, a promoter is a DNA sequence that transcription unit recognizes and bind. Then it is copied into an RNA molecule and then a sequence of nucleotide that signals to terminate and the process stop. So only one DNA strand is used as a template for the synthesis of a complementary RNA chain. Now, as you know, transcription has three phases, that is initiation, elongation and termination. Initiation of transcription involves the formation of locally unwound segment of DNA, providing a DNA strand that act as a template for the synthesis of complementary strand of RNA. So it requires transcripशन फैक्टर जैसे TF2A है, 2B है, 2D है, 2E, 2F, 2H. So these transcription factor, that is TF, and 2 is the class of 2 gene. Now these are required for the transcription by RNA polymerase, which is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Now the promoter gene, which act and binds to form pre-initiation complex and proceed towards elongation process when RNA polymerase catalyze RNA chain elongation. Now then actual termination events occur at multiple sites that are located 1000 to 2000 nucleotides of mature transcripted chain. Then comes the process of translation. What is that? RNA translates to form protein. So, in the process of protein synthesis and processing, translation is very important stage. Now, it involves the transfer of information in mRNA molecule into the amino acid sequence of polypeptide according to the specification of the genetic code. Now, translation takes place on ribosome in the cytoplasm of the cell. Now, it is a complex process containing large number of macromolecules. Now, over 50 polypeptides and 3 to 5 RNA molecules which are present in each ribosome and at least 20 amino acid activating enzymes are present. Now 40 to 60 different tRNA, transfer RNA molecules and numerous soluble proteins involved in polypeptide chain initiation, elongation and termination. Here mRNA molecule gets translated into amino acid sequence according to the dictations of the genetic code. Now, the genetic code is always present in the triplet. Out of 64 possible nucleotide triplet, 61 specify amino acid with initiation signal. यानी 61 में initiation signal भी included रहता है and 3 specify termination. यानी उस process को stop करने के लिए termination 3 nucleotide triplet से होता है. Then mRNA is translated from its 5' to 3 and ribosome reads also in the same direction, that is 5' to 3' direction mRNA. Now electron micrographs reveal that ribosome engage in protein synthesis are arranged like beads in a string. Now what is genetic code? Now it is a sequence of amino acid in a polypeptide chain and was discovered by Nirenberg and Mattei in 1961. So genetic code is triplet where 3-letter codon which is commaless, non-overlapping and universal. Now, what are the components which are required for the protein synthesis? The first one is ribosome. You know that it is half protein and half RNA, and it has two subunits, and one large and one small according to the rates of sedimentation. It is measured in Swedberg unit. Now, tRNA, it is transfer RNA. Binding site on ribosome has amino acid attachment site. So, by high energy bond, it get attached to that site, and amino acyl tRNA synthetase helps in the attachment. Now, ATP, GTP required as a source of energy and protein factor for initiation, elongation, termination for protein synthesis. Now, initiation involves binding of IF3, IF2 and IF1. IF is initiation factor with the subunits of ribosome forming complex. Now, chain elongation involves the decoding, transpeptidation and the translocation using GTP and elongation factor EF. Now, the chain termination is a 3-step codon recognized by soluble protein called release factor RF3, resulting into inactivation of 70S ribosome, which again gets ready for reinitiation. So at the end, I suggest that while struggling, learning, you will come across lots of obstacles, but these hurdles are things you see when you take off your eyes from your goals. So concentrate like Arjun concentrated on fish eye only and see the result. So today, this is all for today. Must subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.